So right now we're going to make a homemade tofu dish. Right now I am going to cut the tofu into cubes, squares. Right now we're going to julienne the carrots. So right now the pan is on low heat and we are going to put cornstarch onto the tofu. Now gently lay it in. And another one. Right now we are going to add salt to the tofu because tofu doesn't have a lot of flavor. I'm going to use about this much salt for this tofu. Right now we are going to flip the tofu. First we're going to make sure it's released. Since it's released, we're going to flip it. Good. Right now we are going to plate the tofu. I'm going to make it into a pyramid. This piece of tofu. So over here I built a tofu pyramid because it looks good for plating, and then we're going to add the carrots, which makes a nice color, and sprinkle some these scallions. So we have some extra tofu and we just put it on. So right now we're going to put some masala into the oil and the fire is at low heat. Then we're going to put some carrots in. We're going to let them oil through. Now the carrots are ready. We put some seasoning, salt, and water. And now we are going to put the carrots into this bowl. So right now we're going to sprinkle the carrots onto the tofu. And right now we're going to put some onions into the pan with a little bit of oil. It's a low heat. And now some salt. And turn on the heat. Try it. Now and now stir a little more. So right now I'm going to, there's a rock wash that we made with soy sauce and mating, bit of water and the leftover cornstarch. Now I'm going to put it in. Now we're going to dump the scallions and the wash into the bowl. Now we are going to drizzle the scallions On to our plate was tofu and carrots.